of people making videos of why they watch Doug and Stacy. Off Grid with Doug and Stacy. So I thought I'd make this video here. Now, I believe it was about a week ago, they put out a video saying they were doing a giveaway. And I'm titling my video here, Why I Don't Watch Doug and Stacy. Because I don't have 2,000 subscribers. Another reason why I don't watch Off Grid and Doug and Stacy is because when we first moved here over 20 years ago, we were off grid for 3 years. And I don't ever want to go back off grid again. Another reason why I don't watch Doug and Stacy is because they're on a health kick and I don't want to live forever. I hope y'all can realize that this is kind of a spoof. I do watch Doug and Stacy. I'm not irritated that I can't enroll in the drawing. I think I don't even enroll in drawings. I don't join up for the giveaways and stuff. Just because I don't like to. But they are an awesome channel, so y'all check them on out. Off Grid with Doug and Stacy. Anyway. Y'all have a great day. I figured I needed to put out a video. I haven't done much here recently. I've been going through some physically hard trying times. And I just don't want to get into that here. But I'll tell you this much. It sucks getting old. Just remember, folks, if the girls don't find you handsome like me, they can find you handy like me. And if they don't find you handy like me, just pray that they find you. Y'all come back now, yeah. And get on over there. Check Doug and Stacy on out. Bye.